Yeah, this is just another story of my life. You know, some people have bad times, some people don't. Some people seen good times and some people won't. But brother, listen up. I believe you can change your destiny, but you got to believe in yourself and the powers of the Almighty. In this world, it's a first come, first serve basis and faces. I've seen many of different races being pulled down by the power of the almighty dollar, with a fight for power over each other, my brother. My life is also messed up, yeah, I ain't ashamed, but I made it out to be what I wanna be in this game. And it's not a matter of who finishes first or last, but to pass on all the knowledge you gained in the past to others much younger than yourself. Brothers and sisters who were just like yourself, cause that cycle we don't need to reloop twice. So take the example and advice from my so-called life.
In the story of my life, I was deep and mountains high. I just closed my eyes and suddenly I realized. In the story of my life, there's a dream that will survive. Can it be that we will live as one eternally? Tell the story. Oh yeah.
My sister, she's another chapter altogether. Joanna, that's a name, but you could call her what you wanna. I tried to lend her a helping hand, but she's too far gone. Rehab said her last days has been gone, so she chills in my crib, waiting on her dying day. Saying, brother, don't you waste your life away. Make something of yourself, so mama would be proud. At least one of us could be a shining star through a dark cloud. She spoke her dying breath, and I felt pain from the depth of my drug addict sister started to blame. No one else but myself. Should have done something sooner, but the only thing I can do now is to be that shining star. Take the words of my sister, push myself further. As time went on in the tunnel, I saw more light, which marks the end of another chapter in this great story of my so-called